Timesheet types. Users are able to record timesheet entries online via mobile phone or via the normal browser application on a PC or personal electronic device. An authorization level is available, where management can authorize the user labor time before it is uploaded into the database. Various options are available to manage the cost and selling of staff. Calculate. Application calculations can be executed from the main menu system selection, Calculate sub-menu. Store part costing and stock. A part number or all parts may be selected by using the filter. Select the calculator with the yellow background to calculate store prices, stock available and on order for parts in the selected filter. This will cross-check the database for discrepancies and correct any errors. Selling prices will be calculated using latest rate of exchange and last highest cost in stock. Select the calculator with the gray background to calculate store stock available and on order for parts in the selected filter. Selling prices are not adjusted. Timesheet costing. Enter a date from which to begin calculating. This will update for latest rates for all personnel on open work packs. Job costing calculator. Select the work pack number to be calculated. This will recalculate the work pack to reflect any new parts or services added. This function is available on the work pack pages and should preferably be used on that page. Personnel leave. Select the person from the drop-down list. This will calculate personal leave on selected filters. This function is available on the personnel pages and should preferably be used on that page. Calculation results are displayed on the screen when completed. If the list of messages is long, it can be exported to an Excel file for further attention. Admin CAA. To set up the various Civil Aviation Authority details, hover over System on the main menu and select Admin CAA. Select the country from the drop-down list. Press Edit to insert or amend the required fields. Press Update to save. The certificate terminology required by the selected CAA is entered and used on relevant documentation. Each CAA logo may be uploaded for inclusion on required reports. Personnel license. Personnel licenses are managed per country. The license numbers to be used with authorizations are linked on the Admin CAA page. A signature is selected according to the country of origin as stated for the relevant aircraft. Select the country CAA from the drop-down list. To add an AME, select from the drop-down list. Enter the license number. Press the blue plus sign to add the AME to the selected country license list. Avionic tasks will be authorized with the license as defined for the default AMO country and will not link to the aircraft's country of origin. Company logo. The company logo may be uploaded to be used on all reports. Archive configuration. To access and edit the archive library configuration, hover over System on the main menu and select Library from the drop-down. Store source documentation may be linked at various levels in the application. The type of documentation is predefined. Soft copies of documents may be uploaded to the library. The documents are numbered in a predefined configuration and stored on cloud storage. The cloud storage makes use of the secure service provided by Amazon in its Aws S3 product. This function gives a structured way to store documents in a secure environment with unlimited storage space. Different sections of the application allow for the storage of different relevant documents. These can easily be extended on request to be tailored to AMO-specific requirements. The link level of the library document will determine if it is related to a supplier, part, aircraft, etc. Once a document has been uploaded, it will be available for downloading when the specific parent selection is made. For example, a supplier certificate for a specific supplier may be uploaded when the supplier is selected on the supplier window. Each time that the supplier is then opened, the certificate download link will be available to download the certificate from storage. There is no need for specific file naming and numbering requirements. The only requirement is to select the document type from the relevant page and upload the file. Most documents use typical PDF file types. It should be kept in mind that large documents are slow to upload and download. Documents should be kept as small as possible. Color scanning of a PDF document increases the document size significantly and is in most cases not a requirement. Photos are quite large and are mostly not required for the purpose of these libraries. The maximum file size that can be uploaded to the cloud site can be limited by the administration. The Aws S3 Login Parameters are defined in the System Parameters. The Aws S3 storage location or bucket is defined and configured by Avdex and unique to each AMS client. Clients can link their existing Aws S3 accounts to the AMS bucket if required. The cost of this service is included in the monthly license fee to clients with fair usage applied.